For some who don't know, some who do, I had my breast reduction surgery, which I might do a video about, still debating. And I just needed a mental break with everything that was going on. I just didn't feel like really doing anything. But today I decided I'm gonna give myself some like medium faux locs. I've been seeing videos on YouTube and I wanted to try it. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, so just going into what I got the Jamaican pre-stretch. They were individual, easy. Some jewels, a crochet pin, 24-hour edge tamer, shine and jam, and some oil. And I just began with taking one strand. As you can see, yes, I have already started. My hair was already braided and I wanted to do the back before I came on camera and did the front and stuff, because like I said, this is my first time doing it. And yeah, so it was simple though after rewatching the girl's video 150 times. So I just free parted my hair. I didn't really care much about parts, and since the pre-twist I've already was like pre-section, it was easy just to pull apart. And I take the crochet pin, I take one strand of the hair, like I said, you pull it apart, it's very easy, and I take it halfway through and I pull one half like all the way through, so don't completely pull it through. And I fluff it out so I can cover majority of my braid. Like I said, if you wanted a thicker and your hair to be fully covered and stuff and not trying to go through like a complete like messy look like I would buy 2 packs and I would either pull my hair through or I would wrap it twice to make sure all of your hair is covered. And then I take one more strand and fluff that out. So for each lock, I'm only using 2 strands. And I wrap it around the base like my root 3 to 4 times to make sure it's like tight and stuff. And I try my best to pull as tight as I can. I really don't like tight stuff on my head, so. But this is a style you can have fun with, you know. It's whatever you want to do with it, and it's nothing really you can go wrong with it. So yeah, I wrap it and then I start wrapping down the lock. And as I'm wrapping down the lock, you can see that I'm trying to cover a majority of my braid up and fluff it out so I can cover more area. Y'all, these nails was giving me such a hard time. They were starting to lift. Mind you, I had just got them done maybe 3 days before this, and it was just an issue. So the hair kept getting stuck, but it didn't really prolong it. It didn't make it longer or nothing, but yeah. But as I get to the end, you're gonna see I'm gonna take what I'm twisting with now and the longer end of the rest of the lock. You're about to see. Oh yes, always check your length, making sure the length is where you want it. But yes, I take the remainder of that and the long part. As you can see, I'm pulling the longest part and I start wrapping that down with the remaining that I was wrapping with. Always checking my length as I'm going, making sure, you know, most of the braids are the same length. And then I take the remaining that was left, twist it and pull it up. And then I'm going to twist around the end and start twisting back up. If it doesn't really make sense, you can rewind it and just watch it again. It's really self-explanatory and it's easy. I learned off of just watching one video, so. And then I'm going to join the last little bit I had with the rest that was left, and I'm gonna wrap back down and up and stuff, and I'm gonna knot it. The knotting did take me a minute to get the hang of because it's kind of hard. And then I'm just going to burn the end of it. I'm not gonna go all the way up my braid or anything. I'm just gonna burn the end of it and palm roll it just to make sure it's secure. As you can see, good. And then I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna re-slow it down for y'all to show you. I wrapped it around and I'm going down the lock, covering my hair a little bit and just wrapping all the way down. Also keep in mind, I did not braid tight at all. Like my hair, I didn't braid tight because you're gonna be wrapping the hair around 3 or 4 times and that's gonna give you your tightness. So yeah, I'm just wrapping down, pulling the hair that I'm wrapping down with apart to cover more, to give it more of a full look. Checking my length as I go, which is important so you make sure all your braids are the same length. And then I take the little bit that I was wrapping down with and the larger portion of what was left at the end, and I join those two together and I keep wrapping down a little bit. Then I take the remaining that's left and I twist it up, and then I start wrapping back up with twisting at the bottom a few times and then wrapping up. And if y'all hear the air conditioning in the background, I don't know if I said this already. Sorry. It's hot outside, so. And then I take the remaining that's left and I wrap down and back up just to cover up any of like dull spots and make sure the ends are secure. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing it, and I have nails on, so it looks a little bit more difficult by the way my hands is moving and stuff, but it's really super, super easy. And I'm gonna knot it again. Take the lighter and just burn the ends and palm roll it. Keep in mind, because I did not, some of my hair is still showing a little bit through the braids and stuff. I didn't burn it all the way up and stuff to not burn my hair, of course. Then yeah, so this is what it looks like before I have dipped it or did anything to it. Like I said, it's my first time. I'm very pleased with how it came out. Next time I probably am going to wrap it twice because for thicker, larger faux locks. But yeah, pretty nice. And then this is what it looks like after I done dipped them in hot water, loosened them up a little bit. I added some jewels and stuff. And yeah, I love it. Like, they're so carefree. It's fun to do. It didn't take me that long. Yeah. I am going to insert some pictures that I took later on this day to just show you what it looked like when I was out and in the sun and everything. I think it's a cute style. I'm definitely gonna try it again. Definitely gonna make another video. Try using a different type of hair, like the curly type of hair. But other than that, I love it. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, show some love. And I can't wait to see y'all in the next video.